let's talk about the impact of AI on effective leadership. As a leader, you have so much on your plate every day. Recently, I've asked a top leader how busy he is on a daily basis from 0 to 10, and I got the answer of 11. Not uncommon. As a leader, you have to make the time to sit back, think, strategize, invest in people and in your relationship with them so that you can help them stay engaged and motivated. All of these things require time, and many times leaders just do not have the time to just do that because they're too busy with their own never-ending list of tasks. And before you know it, another day, another week, another month just went by. The question of how to actually find the time to lead is a critical one. With only 24 hours a day and never-ending list of tasks in a market, organization, and world that change constantly, how is that going to happen? The solution in making more time relies heavily on automating repetitive tasks, just so that it takes less time, focus, and energy out of your day. This will free you up as a leader to focus on more strategic and creative work, such as developing new products or services, building relationships with stakeholders and team members, and driving innovation and motivation. Introducing the AI impact on leadership and the rapidly growing role of AI in leadership development. AI can come very handy when it comes to automating repetitive tasks. For example, you can have AI help you with scheduling meetings, appointments, and any other events, automating the process of creating reports and other documents, tracking expenses, submitting receipts, and approving reimbursements, entering data into databases and other systems. It can use optical character recognition, OCR, and other technologies to read and input data from forms, documents, and any other resources. So artificial intelligence, AI, will impact leadership and change the way you work and live. What's important is to use the efficiency that AI offers when it comes to automating repetitive tasks in order to free yourself to be more communicative with the team, more present, less burned out, and a lot more effective in your leadership and in life.